Welcome back. Please open your page number to page 54. We'll be doing word problems now. Boys, we'll be doing with statements. If 360, number 1, if 365 women and 276 men took part in the Clean Village campaign, how many people took part altogether? First, we will mention number of women, then men, and then number of people altogether. Okay, so the first statement will be number of women who took part in the Clean Village campaign, number of men who took part in the Clean Village campaign, and number of people who took part in the Clean Village campaign altogether. Now boys, this altogether word tells you that it is a plus addition sum. Okay, now when you have word problems together, addition and subtraction, this you can identify addition problems with 3 words. Okay, altogether, and total, and in all. Okay, if these 3 concepts are mentioned in the question, that means it is an addition problem. Okay, now arrange the numbers. 365 plus 276, 5 plus 6, 1 down, 1 on top, 1 plus 6, 7, 7 plus 4, 14, 7 plus 7, 14, 4 down, 1 top, 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus 2, 6. The answer is altogether 641 people took part in the Clean Village campaign. Now boys, you have to form the answer statement like this. Okay, you have to the question is there, no, here the last question. According to that, you have to form the statement. For example, here it is, how many people took part altogether? That way you have to answer altogether 641 people took part in the Clean Village campaign. Okay boys, now then sum number 2. Malati Bai gifted 350 books to the school library. Vasant Rao gave 400 and Jayant Rao 165. What was the total number of books gifted to the school library? Number of books given by Malati Bai to the school library is equal to 350. Number of books given by Vasant Rao to the school library is equal to 400. Number of books given by Jayant Rao to the school library is equal to 165. Now, the question is, what was the total number? So this total number means it is addition problem. Okay, so the last statement will be total number of books gifted to the school library will be how much? You'll add all the 3 numbers, write it below 100 tens units and put 2 plus signs. Okay, 2 plus signs, one for the second number and one for the third number. Okay, you add 0 plus 0 plus 5 is 5, 5 plus 6 is 11, and 1 carry over, 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 1 9. The answer is 915 books were gifted to the school library. Now the next sum. If 230 gulmohar trees, 375 neem trees and 160 teak trees were planted on the hillside, how many trees were planted altogether? First statement will be number of gulmohar trees of 230. It's number of gulmohar trees planted on the hillside, boys. So I will give it to you in the notebook. Now I'm writing your short form because it will not fit. Number of neem trees, 375, and number of teak trees. Is equal to 160. How many trees are planted altogether? So number of trees planted all together. Okay boys, I've just written shabbily boys. I'll give you in the notebook. Okay, now you have to write the numbers here. 230 plus 375 plus 160. 0 plus 5 plus 0 will be 5. 3 plus 7 10. 10 plus 6 16. 1 plus 2 3. 3 plus 3 6. 6 plus 1 7. Answer will be altogether 765 trees were planted. Okay boys, I will give it to you in the notebook. One more thing boys, I'll tell you in the next sum. Okay, now these statements of yours will not fit in the textbook. So in your textbook you only solve the sum. Okay, you don't write the statements. The statements I'll give you in your notebook. Okay boys, fine. At the pollution testing center, 193 two-wheeler and 297 four-wheeler vehicles were tested. What was the total number of vehicles tested for pollution? Now boys, here I'll not write the statements, I'll tell you. Okay, number of vehicles tested, number of two-wheelers tested for pollution is 193. Number of four-wheelers tested for pollution is 297. Third statement, total number of vehicles tested for pollution is equal to how much? And then you solve the sum. 193 plus 275. Okay, 3 plus 5 will be 8. 9 plus 7, 9 in your mind, 7 on your hand. You count the answer, count the numbers, write the unit side down, 10 side above 1. Okay, then add that carry over with 1, then plus 2 and write the answer. Answer statement will be the other answer. So many vehicles were tested for pollution. Okay, the answer, so many vehicles were tested for pollution. Okay boys, now in your textbook down on page 54 there is a question called use the given information to prepare a word problem. Okay, now they are already giving you only giving you information. You have to frame the problem. Okay, this is a little difficult boys, but you all are very intelligent, so please try to do it. Okay, tree planting drive, 345 boys and 275 girls. Now I formed a problem. Okay, if 345 boys and 275 girls participated in a tree planting drive, how many children took part in it all together? Now the three statements, number of boys who took part in the tree planting drive is equal to 345. number of girls who took part in the tree planting drive is equal to 275, and number of children who took part in the tree planting drive altogether is equal to how much? Now you have to remember this word altogether here, boys, when you form a problem. Your addition problem should be either altogether in the question in the last sentence of the problem. Okay, these words should be there, either altogether, total number, or in all. That indicates that it is an addition problem. Okay, now arrange the numbers 345 plus 275, and the answer comes to 620. So the answer statement also will start with altogether. Altogether 620 children took part in the tree planting drive. Now if there is total number, then instead of total number only the answer comes and the remaining statement. Okay boys, I'll show you in the next sum. Storybooks 50, books of poems 75. Now there are 50 story books and 75 poem books in a school library. What is the total number of books in the school library? Okay, this is the question formed with the help of the information given. Now here, instead of altogether, put total number. Okay, sorry boys. Okay, this indicates it is an addition problem. Number of storybooks in the school library 50. Number of poem books in the school library 75. Total number of books in the school library is equal to how much? You arrange the sum, add it, write the answer, and instead of total number you write the answer here. Okay, with the dash. In the dash write the answer, then the remaining statement, that is so and so books are there in the school library. Okay boys, if altogether comes, then the answer statement starts with altogether. Okay, if total number comes, then the answer statement starts only with the answer. Okay, I hope boys you all have understood this concept. Watch the video slowly with your textbooks opened and practice at home boys. With practice you will understand this. Okay, thank you boys, have a nice time.